Big Sister Breece here, and guess what? Haircut! And I'm going to be doing the Owlcrate for May! And it's supposed to be a spooky one. But I'm not going to be doing it here. I'm going to be doing it at my cousin Hazel's house. See you there! Who is it? Owlcrate! Ooh, Owlcrate! I wonder what's in it. Let's open it up. Here I am at my cousin Hazel's house. Hi guys! We're so excited to open the Owlcrate box for you guys today. Let's dig in. Let's just take this up. This is the card. I don't want to look on the back for the spoilers. And it's really cute because it has monster bodies and they're swapped. Yeah. I think this is matchup. So you have to find where the monsters goes. This goes here and then this goes here. And then all the monsters need to put them together. That's exactly what I was thinking. But okay. Let's see what else. Whoa! What are these? Oh, this is a sticker. It's a cool sticker. It's like a monster book. But the book is actually like a monster. So Hazel, do you think this book will be scary? Yes. It looks so scary with all those fangs and the 4 eyes. I know, right? It looks like a real monster shaped like a book. I know. Ooh, look, there's gel pens. And they each have a monster face on them. And on the back, it says that they're scented. So, here are the scents. So, pink is strawberry, orange is orange, yellow is banana, green is melon, blue is blueberry, and purple is grape. Ooh, let's take this out. What is this? Ah! Oh, everything is going all over here. What is this? Let's open this up. Ooh, it's a cute bag. It says, "Let the wild rumpus start." Oh, this is from where the wild things are. It's a book. Yeah. And on the back it says, "Wild thing." And the words are on a monster. It's so cool. Hey Hazel, do you want me to try this bag on you? Sure. She looks so cute. It's a bookmark. Ooh, it says Book Monster. Look at the back. It looks so cool. And on this side, I like how the O's are eyeballs. Do you think that's scary? I think the book will be scary. Oh, I think it's a card game. It's a Goosebumps card game. I heard that the series of Goosebumps is really popular. Oh my gosh, Hazel, this looks so creepy. Now I am almost 100% sure that this book is creepy. Look at all those stuff that looks so scary. That man is coming out from that little treasure chest. And there's ooze. It's so gross. And look at that guy's fangs with yellow eyes and he's all green. And the puppy looks scary. Yeah. And it looks like it's about to bite us. But I think it gives you goosebumps. I haven't read these. It's scary. So, every Owlcrate, there's always a button. So let's see what the button is. Okay. Ooh. That's so cute. Wait. On the card, it's the same face. Let me put the button on you this time, Bree. Ooh, thanks. You're welcome. How does it look? Great. Thanks, Hazel. And now, the book! Let's get it! Whoa! Fizz Soup and the Black Mountain! red. Look at the name. Wow, like it's like blood red. And on the cover, there's an owl for Owlcrate, but the owl is creepy this time.
And look at that giant mouth.
I know. Wait, where's the mouse? Oh yeah. Ew, that's gross. It looks like a pig mouse. And it looks like there's this like girl, and she's trying to like ignore the monsters and stuff.
She's walking down the steps through the mountains.
I think she's on the Black Mountain.
Yeah. It's like creepy because it's like dripping. Like
and look at that giant hand. It's just like reaching out for her. Let's open up the plastic and see what else is inside. Ooh, what's this? This is like, this is a signed book plate. And the author signed it. He's Zach Gorman.
We also have this other card with a note from the author on the back. Let's read it.
Hello, I'm Zach, and this is my letter for you, just you. If anyone else should happen to look at it by mistake, please kindly ask them to avert their eyes.
I wrote this letter for you because we happen to share something in common. Something that not everyone shares, unfortunately. We both love books.
I hope that you'll love this book, my book, Thisby Thistoop and the Black Mountain, because it took me quite a long time to write. First, I had to learn all the words. This took the better part of my childhood. That's the thing they don't tell you about writing. First, you have to learn all the words. And then, once I knew them, I still had to put them in the proper order. That was fairly tricky as well.
I hope the effort was worth it. I hope you enjoy your time in the Black Mountain. The hours you'll spend sneaking past sleeping trolls and wading through pits of attic ooze, because I sure did. And then that would be two things we have in common.
Your friend, Zach Gorman. Cool letter. Now it makes me even more excited to read the book. And there's the same girl from the cover.
Wait, what's this?
Let's unfold it. Is this like a mask?
I think you need to draw your own monster.
Like color it in and cut out the eyes? That looks so cool. And the instructions are here. The monster has like this giant nose and pointy ears. That looks creepy, especially with no eyeballs. But the eyeballs are going to be ours when we put the mask on.
Don't forget to subscribe!
I had so much fun. I hope you did too. Thanks for watching.